Diane, it's after 5 o'clock. I'm away from Twin Peaks now, and I've come to a town in Minnesota. This is Special Agent Dale Cooper, Diane. As in this town in Minnesota, it is summertime, so it's not cold. But I would like to take a brief pause before I do this unboxing video. Yes, one of my unboxing videos. I'm going to take a quick pause here, Diane, to remember a talented, legendary actor who has passed away. Diane, I'm speaking of Sid Haig, known for the Rob Zombie movies, House of a Thousand Corpses, Devil's Rejects, and most recently, Three from Hell. And he's been known for a lot of other roles that he's played over the years. But he has passed away over the weekend, so I'm just going to take a moment of silence for him real quick here. Rest in peace, Sid. You will terribly be missed and highly remembered. So, Diane, I have come to Minnesota to do another unboxing video, and I am sitting in the infamous skull chair that has had an absence lately. But since it is quiet in this area, I decided to do another video in here. So I'm going to start unboxing now. First, I'm going with a box from Walgreens. That's 1L, Diane. Diane, I'm holding in my hand right now what looks to be one of those Funko Pops that kids and adults seem to collect and play with. Being an adult myself, I'm only going to be collecting them. And it appears to be a Herman Munster Pop. That's Munster, not Monster. M-U-N, not M-O-N. And it appears to be the new Walgreens exclusive Biker Herman. I do not yet have this in my collection, so I am very excited to get it. I am a big Munsters fan myself. And as you know, Diane, I am not a coffee drinker, but I do drink milk. I like my milk plain, about as plain as the under average Joe in his under average life. Or banana milk, strawberry milk, orange cream milk on occasion, even tried mint milk. Banana's the best. But a good ice cold glass or cup of plain milk does just fine. Damn good milk. And since I opened the box first, because as excited as I am about the box, Diane, I'm more excited on what's in this other package. Something that will definitely go to the top of my list of autographed memorabilia. And I am going to be opening it now. Diane, I hold in my hand, if I am indeed the true Agent Cooper, an autographed picture of myself. It has been JSA certified with a matching sticker on the front, signed with a gold Sharpie. This is without a doubt one of the best items in my collection. Being a big Twin Peaks fan, I will truly cherish it. And now, Diane, I'm going to be sending you a video here shortly, showing items up close as well. I want to thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more. Cooper out. Oh, and forgive my joking around with using this thing. I'm a big Twin Peaks fan, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. And thank you for your patience on this video because that took a while. Cheers.